And what's happening? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. Today we're looking at the Meta Quest 3. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out.
Yes, let's go. Meta Quest 3. Let's open it up. Meta Quest 3. Let's open it up. Ooh, let's go. The controllers right there. Actual headset. Whoo, beauty. Up there. Accessory box. Charger right there. Cable and plug-in right there. That's it for that. Oh, this one. Tons of cameras everywhere here. Maybe this guy. That's it. USB-C on the side as well, as you could see there. Says here, take off the tabs. Right there.
Basically with this, we're gonna do a workout right now. We're gonna watch some videos as well on YouTube, as you could see here. Let's try some no copyright music here. There we go. Let's try that. Perfect. So let's hit some back. Let's look at the mirror here so you can see what I'm doing. Not bad. So yeah, this is us doing the dishes while watching Mr. Beast on our Meta Quest 3. And as you can see, I'm able to just open the dishwasher here, load it up. No worries. All the latency is really good. And still watch a video. Now, one thing I would notice, and it's very deceiving when you're watching these videos, is that on the background it is recorded colored, so you could see that the background here is pretty much like HD on quality. But when you're looking at it on the Meta Quest 3 camera, it's not like that at all. It's still a bit on the low, I don't know what this is, 360p, and there's no lag, so the latency is really good, but the quality is not one-to-one on the as if you're, let's say, on real life, right? Now Vision Pro on the Apple side of things will do that, but as for now, this is what we get.
And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I was able to help you on your choice on the Meta Quest 3. If you are looking for a great VR set, this is good. But if you are looking for a one-to-one HD of your background, like the video that we're showing right now, I wouldn't go for that, because it's not like that at all. It's very deceiving because it looks like it's fully HD here, but in reality it really is not. So just keep that in mind when you are buying these. It's not like that at all. Latency is really good though, so that's good on the Meta for making that possible. But yeah, if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. I'll see you guys next time, and hopefully we can make more videos on the Meta Quest 3.